Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from MetaMask. First, you will need to connect your MetaMask wallet to a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Next, select the specific digital asset you wish to withdraw. Then, initiate the transfer from your MetaMask wallet to the exchange's deposit address. Finally, on the exchange, you can convert your cryptocurrency into fiat currency and withdraw it to your bank account. This process typically takes a few simple steps. To begin, select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that supports the digital asset you want to withdraw. Once you have chosen an exchange, either log into your existing account or create a new one. Then, navigate to the deposit section within the exchange platform. Here, you will find a unique deposit address for your chosen cryptocurrency. Carefully copy this address, as it is crucial for the next step. Now, open your MetaMask wallet and select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the Send button and then carefully paste the deposit address you copied from the exchange into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to move. Always double-check all transaction details, especially the network or gas fees, before confirming the transfer to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. After your cryptocurrency successfully arrives on the exchange, you can proceed to sell it for your preferred fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Next, link your bank account or another suitable withdrawal method to your exchange profile. Then, initiate a withdrawal request for the fiat funds. Typically, you can expect these funds to be processed and appear in your linked bank account within 3 to 5 business days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.